So please, ito na. We're going to start our last part of our discussion about the keyboards. Okay. So, yun nga, napag-usapan natin na keyboard is a typewriter-like input device. So, mukha siyang yung arrangement of the keys, yung the main part of our keyboard ay kahalintulad sa arrangement ng ating typewriter. Okay? And it is used for entering information onto or into a computer. So, punta tayo sa parts, ano? Okay. What do you call this part? Itong pinakataas na to. We discussed this last Monday. So I'm expecting you to know this. Yung F1 to F12, what do you call it? Come on, fourth graders. Anong tawag doon? Yung F1, F2, F3, F4 hanggang F12. And by the way, assignment pala ninyo, your computer keyboard, si Chacha and Miel hindi pa nagsasend. May assignment ako sa inyo. I told you last time. At ang hindi pa nakapagpasa si Miel sa Google Classroom, okay? Remind ko lang, okay, Miel? Para makapag-send ka mamaya. Okay? Anyone? What do you call this part? Yung pinakataas sa part ng ating keyboard. Ito yung may F1, F2, F3, F4 hanggang F12. Wala? No one knows? All right. So please read na lang. Please read. Babasahin na lang. So what?
Function key.
Function. Okay, function keys. Okay, function keys. The next part, this part is the navigation keys. Yan. Tapos nasa right side naman yan ng navigation keys ang ating numeric keypad. Numeric keypad is like the arrangement of this one is like of a calculator and has mathematical symbols. And the main part of our keyboard is the alphanumeric keys. So meron siyang alphabet, letters of the alphabet, and the number keys. Nandito rin siya. Kaya siya tinawag na alphanumeric keys. So meron siyang letters at meron ding mga number keys. So sa navigation, okay, there you go, alphanumeric. Sa ating navigation keys, so marami yan. We have the arrow keys, kasama yung arrow keys, enter key, backspace and delete. What else? Tandaan niyo pa ba? Ano-ano yung mga navigation keys? And it means no. Tab key. Page up and page down, home and end keys, and of course the insert key. So yung arrow keys, so these are the cursor keys kung tawagin. It moves the cursor up, down, left, and right. So makikita niyo siya, meron siya mga arrows pointing up, pointing down, pointing left, and right. Yung enter key naman, it lets you move the cursor down at the beginning of the next line. So ginagamit din yan to execute the command. Yung backspace naman and delete, both are erasers. Ang pagkakaiba ng dalawa, yung backspace, ang ine-erase niya ay yung mga characters to the left. Okay? Yung ine-erase niya, yung nasa left ng ating cursor, while the delete naman, ang binubura niya ay yung mga characters na nasa right ng cursor. Tab key. So, ano uli ang ibig sabihin ng tab? Kasi abbreviation lang yung tab eh. What do you mean by tab? If you were listening last time. Tab means tab view. and Ago is mute. Are you saying something? So what do you mean by tab? Tab is abbreviation of, all right, so tab is abbreviation for tabulator. Okay? So this is used to advance the cursor to the next tab stop. Yung page up and page down, so this is used naman to scroll up or down the cursor. So kung gusto mo yung cursor, mapunta several times upward or several times down, or several lines rather, several lines down or several lines up, so pwede mong gamitan ng page up and page down. Yung home and end keys naman, yung home key, ginagamit yan to place the cursor at the beginning of the line, habang naman yung end key, it is used to place the cursor at the very end of the current line. Okay, go ahead. Okay, yung last part natin, dito tayo naputol ng ating discussion, yung ating Control and Alt keys. Okay, so yan, dyan tayo naputol yung discussion natin last Monday. So yung Control and Alt keys, so they are used alone or actually mas madalas siya in combination with other keys to perform a specific action. So for example, you're going press Control or hold Control and then P. Okay, if you press Control and P together, so you're going to have the option to print a document or print any work na ginagawa ninyo. So yon. So you'll be able to print an image, pwede kayo mag-print ng document kung ano yung ginagawa nyo, or you're going to print a spreadsheet or a presentation. So depende kung ano yung naka-open na kung ano yung naka-open na file, yun ang mapiprint ninyo. So Control plus P. If you're working on something at sa tingin nyo nakamali kayo sa ginawa nyo, pwede yung Control plus Z. And it will undo whatever the mistake that you did the very last time. So the very last time that you did, Control plus Z will undo it. Okay? So yon, Control plus Z. Pwede mo rin pindutin ang Control plus Alt plus Delete. So ito naman yung tatlong buttons na to. If you're going to press this all together, so before kasi it will restart your computer. So kapag kasi ang computer naglalag, ang ginagawa ng Sir Yman ay press Control Alt and Delete. So this time nung nasa Windows 10 na tayo, pressing Control Alt and Delete will pop up the Task Manager. Okay, again, Control plus Alt plus Delete will pop up the Task Manager of Windows. Okay? Actually, what I'm giving you right now are some of the examples, ano? Some of the examples where you can use Control and Alt. Okay. Next is Alt plus F4. Na-testing nyo na ba ito dati? Alt plus F4. Who's using a computer right now? Si Isa lang? Ay, Isa, you're on your phone? Tablet? Okay, si Maxine dati naka-computer dati. So if you're going to press Alt and F4 together, so this will close a program. So halimbawa ngayon if you're using a computer right now at pinindot niyo yung Alt and F4, so this will close your Zoom meeting. Yan. So since Zoom ang nakabukas ninyo ngayon, pag pinindot yung Alt and F4, it will close the Zoom. Or halimbawa, you're working on a document, nakabukas is Microsoft Word. So pag pinindot yung Alt plus F4, then it will close the Microsoft Word. But pag wala namang nakabukas na or pag wala kang naka-open na any program, pag pinindot yung Alt plus F4, then lalabas naman ang shutdown option. Okay? So it will opt you to shut down your computer. Yung Alt plus F4. Okay? Again, kapag wala kang any program na nakabukas at pinindot mo yung Alt and F4, it will opt you to shut down your computer. Okay? And siguro, isa pang example. Alt plus Tab. So this will switch between open windows. Okay? Any question about Control and Alt? Okay, so ito yung aking pina-assignment sa inyo last time. Si Miel hindi pa nakakapaggawa, hindi pa nakapag-submit. Okay, please submit it to Google Classroom already, okay?